Okay, we're ready to put the new oil filter back on the car and also ready to put the drain plug back in the car. First you want to take your new oil filter and just take a little oil from the pan and put a thin layer over the oil filter seal. That'll help it give a good seal up against the oil pump when you have it on there. Now we're going to go underneath again. To start off putting this oil filter on, just bring it up with your hand first, and you can just spin the oil filter on. Tighten it down as much as you can with your hand, good and snug. Now these don't have to be overly tight. We're not trying to get them on there as tight as possible, but we want them snug. We want to make sure that is not going to loosen up. So usually just finish tightening it with the wrench, maybe give it a half turn, and your oil filter is secure.